Hi guys! Yesterday I applied for Incentivized Testnet from Super Protocol and today I received the answer from them. Here is some information to participate in Testnet and I'm going to show you the process. Actually it's pretty easy, but in any case you can check all steps in next few minutes of video. Let's go! Here we have a message with some links. Here are exact links for a Galaxy campaign and also for Testnet guide and for Incentivized guide, and also you have to go to Discord server, I guess, but now it's not necessary for us. We will need MetaMask and we have to import this private key to MetaMask. Okay, it's same address, and we have to choose Mumbai. Testnet. This one. Just copy access token and go to this page, and from this page we can go to first steps, or I guess marketplace. Okay, when you open the marketplace, this is a direct link to marketplace, and here must be your token. Now we connect our MetaMask. And we need the test tokens. It's here. Just claim Matic and test T. After that, we need to go to solution and choose all for our order. We have to add hosting launcher. It's first one, and the second is data. We add demo static website. Also, you can choose it your own here, but I will use simple example from documents. And third step, we go to compute. Here, better to choose with less people in queue. So I will make this choice and go to storage. And add this. Actually, this is all. We go to order and just click to checkout. Understand. Here we need insert seed phrase or generate new one for our test. I will generate. And after this, you have to place order. And sign two transactions. First one is allowance for your tea. And the second one is actually transaction. Now we have to wait till order will be done here. It could take some time because it depends from people in queue. It was 5 people, so maybe it will be not that much long. After order will be computed, here you will see get results, and we need to save it. Also, you have to share this on Twitter because link to this share will be needed for next task. So this video I can finish because nothing to do anymore. It's just waiting for order. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you guys.